Welcome to Study Loop.
For most cases, yes. However, an ice cube. Let's first. We know that heat flows spontaneously from high temperature objects to lower temperature objects. Now, the question, however, is specifically asking not about temperature, but about internal energy. So we can say the internal energy is defined. The definition of the internal energy is the sum of the total kinetic and potential energies. Now, of you can say of the system. Now, here, we can say that an ice cube at temperature equaling 0 degrees Celsius is heated. The internal energy increases, but the temperature does not increase until it turns into water or a liquid. And so essentially, the internal energy, the temperature is not increasing because there's some associated energy that is needed in order for the phase change to occur. So essentially, it's not always correct to say that that heat flows from an object with a greater internal energy to one with a lower internal energy, because again, um, if you take a system where the substance is at the border between the solid state or the liquid state, or even the liquid state and the gas state, the internal energy increases, but again, does not increase until it turns into water. So that would be the rule. So it's not a rule. It's just you can say usually yes, the greater internal energy will flow to one with lower internal energy, but again, it's not always true. It's correct. It's more correct in saying that heat flows spontaneously from high temperature objects to lower temperature objects. This is being more specific because we are using the term temperature, internal energy is defined again by the sum of the total kinetic and potential of the system. That is the end of the solution. Thank you for